This is what I learned after buying a first car. Car is expensive, but it's worth it. Just for car and insurance, I'm paying monthly 700,000 won. I don't know how it sounds like, but to me, it sounds very expensive because my house, I'm only paying 450,000 won per month. So I'm paying almost 1.5 times on my car. But house, I do everything. I eat, sleep, wash, and it's house. I use it for 24/7. But the car, I use it like 1 hour per day, but I'm paying more. But I think it's really worth it. I kind of understand why a lot of people drive cars. What do you think? Do you remember your first car?